Hi, I'm Jenny. Welcome to my channel, Beauty in a Minute. Thank you for joining me today. If you haven't done so, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like my video today, please kindly give me the thumbs up. And today I want to talk about a French brand, Chantecaille. I think that's how you pronounce it. And they are available at Mecca stores here in New Zealand and Australia. And I got given a sample, Stress Repair Concentrate Cream for the eye. So this is the little tube of the sample, and it's 3 ml of the eye cream. I mean, yeah, it's not cheap. The Chantecaille brand is not cheap. And I'm just going to read to you the real price of this product. Yeah, the real product looks like this. And the real price, $325 for 15 ml of this Stress Repair Concentrate for the eye. They call it the Potent Wrinkle Fighting Eye Cream. And I got 3 ml of it. So I've been trying this product out. I mean, being an eye cream, you don't need a lot. You just need a small dot and you just dab it all over your eyes. So I'm going to squeeze a little bit of this cream out here. It's not too bad. Personally, I find this moisturizer a little bit on the thick side. It's got a lovely fragrance, as almost like a rose petal fragrance. As usual with some of these very high-end brands, the products tend to have a very pleasing fragrance. Yeah, it's got a very slight rose petal fragrance. I think you know what my verdict of this product is. Let's just have a look at the ingredients. So the key ingredients are Arabian jasmine, bell pepper stem extract, caffeine. It's got bitter orange flower water, sweet almond oil, shea butter. I think that is why it's a bit on the thick side. I'm not a big fan of shea butter. I find shea butter is good for my elbows and joints and for my feet because shea butter is quite a thickish emollient. It's got acetyl hexapeptide 8. Acetyl hexapeptide 8 is arginine. My 3 problems with this product here. Number 1, of course, is the price. For $325 eye cream, 15 ml eye cream. I'm holding the 3 ml here. Personally, it's just too pricey, too expensive for what it is. I mean, for $325, I can get vitamin C, retinol, niacinamide serums, plus moisturizer and sunscreen. Have my whole skincare routine all wrapped in one. Number 2, this eye cream really don't have any retinol or vitamin C in it. Personally, if you want an eye cream that really do something for your eyes, from my own personal experience, I'll go for a vitamin C serum or retinol serum or vitamin C cream or retinol cream or niacinamide cream or serum. Yeah, personally right now, my favorite eye serum is a vitamin C serum that I just dab onto my eyes. And I really can see fine lines being reduced. Yeah, the crow's feet being reduced. So it doesn't have any of the active ingredients that I talked about. And the third thing is I find this eye cream, the texture is quite thick. Personally, my preference is for a very thin, light textured eye cream. The skin around our eyes is the thinnest and the most fragile. It's really thin around here. And so if you put a thick eye cream on, all it does is to pull the skin down, personally. So for me, an eye cream should be very light, almost watery. And all you have to do is just dab it on, And that's why I prefer just to use a serum. So what I'm doing right now for my eyes is the vitamin C serum that I dab. And then when that has dried, I put on a light eye cream. And that's all I do. And this one, I'm sorry, really doesn't cut it for a good eye cream. Yeah, I won't be purchasing the real product. Sorry, Chantecaille, this product is just too expensive. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't done so, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like my video today, please kindly give me the thumbs up. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.